One word we hear all the time in meetings that drives me crazy is the word alignment. We want to be aligned. We want everyone on the same page. Yet that term gets bandied about over and over again, but no one defines it. I can ask an entire room of people what alignment means to them. Some will say it means all of us agree 100% on everything. Others will say 75% of us agree on most things. Others will say it's the bare majority, and still others will say, kind of with a wink and a nod, we all pretend to agree with what the boss was going to do anyway. So before you use alignment as a metric, a measure, or a goal, define it. At the beginning of the meeting, define what alignment is. Define how decisions get made and how you'll judge that meeting a success. Because if you just say we're going to be aligned at the end of the day, everyone will walk out thinking alignment is on different things, or thinking the meeting is a success or a failure because they're not aligned on what alignment meant.